Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for joining me. If I look a bit strange, as in one side is done and one side isn't, that is because you've probably seen from the thumbnail what we're going to be doing on this side here. I just thought I would do it all now just so that we can kind of get on with it as such. So on this side I've just done my base as normal, so I've done my blush, my highlighter, bronzer, eyebrow, and then we're going to go through and do the eyes with you guys, and then this side of my face. And to do this we'll be using some fishnets, but let's get into doing the eyes first. Okay, so for the eyes I'm thinking of doing kind of like a cut crease moment. So first going to apply my PLouise base to both eyeballs. So now that I've applied the base, I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit and then we can go on to the eyeshadow. Okay, so for the first shadow I'm going to use, it is Sacrifice here from the Kaylee and Sosu palette, and I'm going to take this kind of really heavy on the outer edge and on into the crease. Just be as dramatic as possible. This is what we got, very deep, very dark. I'm going to go in now with a mix of Unruly and the white here on the palette as well, which is Veil, and use that to blend the harshness out. I'm just going to deepen the colours up a little bit and I'll be right back. Hey, okay, so I realised a fair bit of time has passed since I last checked out. Since then, all I did was went ahead and cut my crease with my PLouise base, and then I've coloured that in with the shade Pillow, which is this shade here from the Morphe 35B. Then I've gone over that with Veil, which is the white here from the Sosu and Kaylee palette. And I've just done that. Now I was just about to deepen that up again, and then, I don't know if you can see it, this shade here, purple one from Makeup Geek, which is called Phantom, and I'm going to put that over the top as well to add a bit of iridescence. So it just adds a little bit more kind of sparkle. Now I am just going to do some eyeliner and blend it into the darkness that we have here. So again, I'll be right back with the eyeliner. So what I'm going to do now is this side here. This side where I'm basically all done. I'm going to do what's on the top, on the bottom, and then we will go over to the fun side on this side. Okay, so I'm going to put some eyeliner in my waterline and then blend out the same colours. So first off I'm just going to take Unruly, and then I'm going to take Sacrifice on the same brush. There is one side done. Just nice and smoky. So just put concealer on these areas here, then maybe the light in the rest of my face. What a look. This time we're doing all of these fancy things on here now. I don't feel claustrophobic at all. Oh my god, this is horrendous. Alright, so in with the 35B, the shade Purplish, which is this one here, on a really fat brush. So we're going to try and get it all down here too, hence why I kind of look naked. I'll be back in a minute, I guess. Okay, let's see what happens. Ooh, okay, we got a little bit of something, just a little bit. So I'm gonna take some like shimmer, I think, to try and shimmer this side up a little bit because she's not where she should be. So I'm going to take that same iridescent shadow that I put on my face to put it on here too. So I'm I'm just kind of really using this as a highlighter for where I'd usually highlight. So it worked really well here. Okay, now I want to make this line a lot more kind of defined. So I'm gonna take my brow pomade, just a little brush, and just use that to kind of make a crack down my face. And then I'm going to do some more shadowing as well. Okay, we're going to go in with some brows, but I'm going to fill them like fully purple. But basically, this is what we've got so far as well. I'm going to maybe add some blood so it looks a little bit more. And deepen up this little scar. I'm also going to add some red lipstick to act as my blood. I did actually get some. I don't know where I put it, but I'm going to put that along here. Put some lashes and mascara on, and I will be right back. Hey. Okay, so as you can see, I've deepened this up a lot more. Put a little bit of that liquid lipstick. I realised it was a liquid lipstick, and that's probably going to stay on my face now. Sorry, that's not the point. I'm going to go in with the fake blood. Where did I put it? There. Now, I literally just got this from Primark, so it's PS Fright Club Thick Stage Blood. And I've got a little plate here, just because it was quite thick. And I am just going to apply it with a cotton bud. You can see it is quite thick. So this is basically the situation. I'm just going to put some more eyeshadow basically in my hairline. Just going to put this in my hair with a normal makeup brush. Okay, I've got a bit of glitter too, so. So this is the finished look. I kind of hope you enjoyed it. It's a bit different for me, especially with all this business. I actually really like this. It's so cool. I just think it looks really funky. Relatively easy to do. This bit just looks 10 times better because I've got the fake blood, and that's literally it. And then you don't even need to do this. You could just get a wig or something. But yeah, anyway, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know whether or not I'm going to be doing another Halloween one after this one. But yeah, if you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe and all of that good stuff down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!